also we are going to discuss about adding fraction. Okay, adding like fraction, unlike fraction, then mixed fraction also, right? Yes, adding like fraction means it's easy, right? What we have to do, we have to add the, if the denominator is equal means that is like fraction, isn't it? Then we have to add the numerator value. It's very simple. For example, 4 by 5 plus 2, 1, 3 by 5. So what we will get? We will get 8 by 5, right? This is improper fraction. If it is improper fraction means we can change it that is mixed fraction, isn't it? How we can change it? We have to divide, normal division, that is long division method. Divided by 5. 5 how many times 1 5 is 5. Then we have to subtract 8 minus 5 is 3. So the mixed fraction is what? What is the mixed fraction? 1 3 by 5. Now we can check the answer also. How we can check it? This right or wrong? 5 1 times 5 is 5. 5 plus 3 how much? 8. 8 divided by 5. So we are getting the improper fraction, right? Do you understand? The other example, 8 by 12 plus 2 by 12. So these two fractions are like fraction, isn't it? Now we can add easily. 12 is the denominator. 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is how much? 10. 10 by 12, isn't it? 10 by 12. So this is proper or improper fraction? Proper fraction. But this fraction we can reduce, isn't it? 10 by 12. 10 by 12, that is even number, right? Yes, these two numbers we can reduce. Divided by 2. Here also we can divide it by 2. So 10 divided by 2 how much? 5. Then 12 divided by 2 how much? 6. So the answer is 5 by 6. Understand? Yes. Now see here different denominators, right? 3 by 7 plus 4 by 14. Here the denominators are different, right? What we have to do? We have to find the LCM first. LCM how we can find? We can use the short division method. Okay. 7, 14. Which table we can use? Here 7th table we can use, right? 7 one time, here 2 times. Then again second table here 1 time 2 is 2. Now do you understand how to find that LCM using short division method? Yes. Next step what? What is the next step? Next you have to multiply the number, right? 7 and 2. LCM equal to 7 times 2. 7 times 2 equal to how much? 14. LCM is 14. Now you have to change the denominator 14. Fraction is 3 by 7 plus 4 by 14. So 7 how many times? 14? 2 times, isn't it? Yes. If your denominator, if you multiply by 2 means numerator also you want to multiply by 2. 3 times 2 are, sorry, next 14, already 14 is there denominator, right? Then we have to multiply by 1. Numerator also multiply by 1. Multiply 3 times 2 are 6 divided by 7 times 2 are 14. Then plus 4 times 1 are 4 divided by 14 times 1 are 14. Now check, denominators are equal, isn't it? So these two fractions are like fractions. 6 plus 4 divided by 14. 6 plus 4 how much? 10, right? 10 divided by 14. Now this is not a shortest form, right? So what we have to do? We have to reduce. We can reduce because 10 and 14 is these two numbers are divisible by 2, isn't it? Divide. 10 divided by 2. Here also divided by 2. 10 divided by 2 how much? 5. Here 14 divided by 2 7. It's a proper fraction. Do you understand? For example, here the different number. For example, here 11, here 14. 11 by 14 means example. Okay, 11 by 14. So that is the final answer. No need to reduce because 11 is a prime number, right? we cannot reduce. But here this possibility is there. 10 divided by 14 means we can divide. If we divide means no need to reduce the fraction. Understand? Yes? See the second example. Add 5 by 9 plus 2 by 3. Okay, first what we have to do? We want to find the LCM of 9 and 3. Right? Find it LCM. 9, 3. So first which table we want to use? Third table. Right? Third table. How many times? 3 times. Here 1 time. Again third table 1 time. Here 1. 3 times 3 is how much? 9. Isn't it? LCM, lowest common multiple is 9. Next, make the denominator 9. 5 by 9 plus 2 by. Already denominator is 9 here, right? Here 2 by 3. So 9 how many times? 1 time. We want to make the denominator 9 only. Only 1 time. But the second fraction 3 is there. 3 how many times 9? 3 times. Isn't it? 3 times 3. Here also multiply by 3. 5 times 1 is 5. Divided by 9. Plus 2 times 3 is 6. Divided by 9. Now denominator is equal to fractions are like fraction. Isn't it? Yes. Now denominator is 9. For numerator we have to add 5 plus 6. 5 plus 6 is how much? 11, right? 11 by 9. So this is proper or improper fraction? Improper fraction. So what we have to do? We want to change the mixed fraction. Okay. 11 by 9. What we have to do? We have to divide that value. 11 divided by 9. 9 how many times? Only 1 time. 1 9 is 9. So 11 minus 9 is how much? 2, isn't it? 2. Mixed fraction is 1, 1, then 2 by 9. 2 divided by 9. That is the answer. Do you understand, children? Okay, adding mixed fraction. Adding mixed here, mixed numbers are there. First what we have to do? We want to convert it into improper fraction. This mixed fraction converted to improper fraction. After that you have to find the LCM. Then you have to add that fraction. Okay. So we can do it now. 15 1 by 2. First convert it to improper fraction. Okay. 15 1 divided by 2. How much? What we have to do? We have to multiply these two numbers, right? 15 times 2 is how much? 30, right? 30 plus 1, 31. Be careful, when you multiply, you have to multiply the whole number and the denominator value. So 15 times 2 is 30. 30 plus 1, 31. 31 divided by 2. That is the first one. Now this is the mixed fraction. Now we convert it to improper fraction. Okay. Then second fraction is 4 2 by 3. This here we have to multiply which two numbers? Whole number and the denominator value. Okay. 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 plus numerator value. 12 plus 2. 11. Sorry. 12, 13, 14. Isn't it? 14. 14 by 3. Now you have to add these two fractions. 31 by 2 plus 14 by 3. Now these two fractions are improper fraction, isn't it? Next step what we have to do? We have to take the LCM. Okay. 2 and 3. LCM. Short division method. 2, 3. LCM is 2. Second table 1 time. 3 is not possible, isn't it? What we have to do? We have to write the value as it is, right? Next. Again third table. Here 1. Here 1. 3 times 2 is how much? 6, isn't it? 6 is the LCM value. LCM equal to 6. LCM equal to 6. Now 31 divided by 2 plus 14 divided by 3. Make the denominator 6. Okay. Yes. Second table, how many times 6 will come? 3 times. So numerator also multiply by 3. Numerator also multiply by 3. Then here third table, how many times 6? 2 times. So 3 times 2 means numerator also multiply by 2. 31 times 3 equal to how much? 31, 3. 1 3 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 93. 93 divided by 2 times 3 is 6 plus 14 into 2. 14 into 2 how much? 28, isn't it? 28 divided by 6. Now the denominator is equal, right? If the denominator is equal means we can add the numerator value, right? Yes. 93 plus 28 divided by 6. Add these two values, 93 plus 28. 93, 28. 8 plus 3 how much? 11, right? 11. And this carry over. 10, 12. 121, isn't it? 121 divided by 6. 121 divided by 6. Now, this is proper or improper fraction? Improper fraction, isn't it? What we have to do? We have to convert it into mixed fraction. Then 121 divided by 6. Sixth table 2 times. 2 times 6 are 12. Subtract the value. 12 minus 12 is 0. Next, you have to write the next number 1. This is not possible to divide, right? Then we have to put here 1 0. This is the remainder. Now we can write the mixed number. How we can write the mixed number? 20. Then remainder is 1. Denominator is 6. Okay, 21 by 6. Now you can check the answer. 6 times 2 is 12. That means 6 times 20 is 120, right? 120 plus 1, 121 divided by 6. So we are getting this fraction, right? Now this is the mixed number. Do you understand now? Second question. Add 1 2 by 3 plus 2 4 by 5. I will explain how to add these two mixed fractions. Okay. First step is what? First step you have to, first fraction, mixed fraction you want to convert it to improper fraction, isn't it? Convert it 1 2 by 3. How we can write? You have to multiply first whole number and denominator, isn't it? 3 times 1 is 3 only. 3 plus 2 how much? 5. 5 divided by 3. Then second mixed number 2 4 by 5. Multiply denominator and the whole number. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 14. 14 by 5. 14 by 5. Okay. And now add these two values. 5 by 3 plus 14 by 5. See, the denominator is different. So next step we have to find the LCM. 3 and 5 LCM. 3 and 5 LCM is short division method. 3 and 5. Which table? Third table. 1 time 5 is not possible. So 5 you have to write as it is, right? Next step. 5 you have to divide 5, right? 5 1 time here. Already 1 is there. Then 5 1 time here. Next you have to multiply 3 and 5. 3 times 5 is how much? 15, isn't it? So LCM is LCM, lowest common multiple equal to 15. Next step what? What is the next step? Next step you have to change the denominator, right? We have to make the denominator equal. That means 5 by 3 plus 14 by 5. So LCM is 15 means the denominator we want to change it 15, isn't it? Yes. 3 how many times 15? 5 times. Denominator multiplied by 5 means numerator also multiplied by 5. Then here denominator 5 how many times 15? 3 times, isn't it? 5 times 3 are 15. Here also multiply 3. Understand? Multiply 5 times 5 are 25. Divided by 15. Plus 14 times 3 are how much? Multiply here. 14 into 3. 4 times 3 are 12. 1 carry over. 1 3 is 3. 3 plus 1 4. That is 42. 42 divided by 15. Now these two fractions are like fractions, right? Next step, we have to add the numerator value. Denominator is equal. Denominator 15, 25 plus 42. Add these two values, 42 plus 25. 7, then 4 plus 2, 6. That is 67. Equal to 67 divided by 15. So it's possible to reduce these two values 67 and 15. Now because this is improper fraction, right? So we can change it the mixed fraction. How? We can divide, right? 67 divided by 15. Yes. 15. How many times? 15 the table. 1 time 15, 2 times 30, 3 times 45, 4 times 60 will come, right? 4 times. 4 times 15 is 60. Subtracting 7 minus 0, 7. 6 minus 6 is 0. Right? Mixed number, how we can write? The quotient is the whole number, right? Quotient 4, then 7 divided by 15. The answer is 4, 7 divided by 15. Now do you understand, children? I hope you understand this concept, addition of how to add like fractions, how to add unlike fractions, and how to add mixed fraction, right? Yes. Now your homework is page number 79, exercise 6.4. That is your homework. The first one, add the following unlike fractions are there. So you have to find, first what we have to do, we have to find the LCM and make the denominator equal. After that you have to add the fraction, right? Yes. The second one, add the following the mixed fraction. Mixed fractions are there. You have to add the mixed fraction. Understand, children? This is your homework. If you have any doubt, please contact me. Okay, children? Thank you.